Welcome to another episode on How to Clean Guide. Today, I am going to show you how to clean your toilet tank without scrubbing. Keeping your toilet tank clean is essential for hygiene and the longevity of your toilet. However, scrubbing and physical exertion aren't always feasible or desirable. Fortunately, there's a way to clean your toilet tank effectively without scrubbing or doing any physical work. Let's explore a simple hands-off approach to keeping your toilet tank in pristine condition. The no-scrub cleaning method. 1. Prepare your toilet. Start by shutting off the water supply to your toilet, usually found near the base of the toilet. Flush the toilet to drain the water from the tank. This step prepares the tank for a thorough cleaning. 2. Vinegar, your cleaning ally. White vinegar is an excellent natural cleaning agent. Pour enough vinegar into the tank to cover the bottom and reach the overflow tube. The acetic acid in vinegar works wonders in breaking down limescale, rust, and other deposits. 3. Time is key. Let the vinegar sit in the tank for several hours or overnight. The longer the vinegar sits, the more effectively it breaks down stains and buildups. 4. Boosting the cleaning power. For an extra cleaning boost, consider adding Denture cleaning tablets or an effervescent cleaner to the vinegar. These products can aid in breaking down tough stains and mineral deposits. 5. Rinse with a flush. Once the cleaning agents have done their work, turn the water supply back on and flush the toilet multiple times. This process will rinse away the vinegar and loosen deposits. 6. Repeat for stubborn stains. If the tank still appears dirty, you can repeat the process. In some cases, a little scrubbing might be necessary for stubborn stains after the soaking. 7. Regular maintenance. Regular cleaning every few months can prevent heavy buildup, making the cleaning process easier each time. Why choose the no-scrub method? Ease and convenience. This method requires minimal effort and is ideal for people with physical limitations or busy schedules. Safety and eco-friendliness. Using natural cleaners like vinegar reduces exposure to harsh chemicals, making it a safer and more environmentally friendly option. Effectiveness. Vinegar is highly effective at breaking down limescale, rust, and other common tank stains. Frequently asked questions. 1. How often should I clean my toilet tank using this method? It's best to clean your toilet tank every 3 to 6 months to prevent heavy buildup and maintain hygiene. 2. Can I use any vinegar for this cleaning method? White vinegar is most recommended due to its cleaning properties and acidity level. 3. Will this method remove rust and hard water stains? Yes, vinegar is effective at breaking down rust and hard water stains, though it might require multiple treatments for heavy stains. 4. Is it safe for the components inside the toilet tank? Yes, vinegar is generally safe for most components in the toilet tank. However, if your tank has special coatings or materials, check the manufacturer's recommendations. 5. Can I use this method if I have a septic system? Yes, vinegar is septic safe and won't harm your septic system. 6. Are there any risks to using Denture tablets in the tank? Generally, Denture tablets are safe to use, but avoid using them excessively as they may cause minor wear over time. 7. What should I do if the smell of vinegar is too strong? The vinegar smell typically dissipates after flushing. If the smell persists, leave the bathroom window open or use an air freshener. The no-scrub toilet tank cleaning method is a convenient, safe, and effective way to maintain a clean and hygienic toilet tank. By utilizing white vinegar and optional effervescent cleaners, you can achieve a clean tank with minimal effort. This method is particularly beneficial for those seeking an eco-friendly cleaning solution or for individuals with limited ability to perform physical scrubbing. Remember to perform this cleaning routine every few months to prevent heavy buildup and ensure the longevity and efficiency of your toilet. Did you enjoy this video? If so, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel.